Hey traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating microcap stock that recently popped up on our advanced scanners, EXYN. We're going to dissect exactly why EXYN triggered our specific entry signals and what that means for potential trading opportunities. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Show chart of EXYN. Let's jump right in. The stock we're analyzing today is EXYN, ticker EXYN. This is a microcap stock, meaning it has a relatively small market capitalization, often associated with high volatility and greater potential for rapid price swings, both up and down. Its sector isn't clearly defined, which isn't uncommon for smaller companies, but our focus today is purely on the technical setup. Zoom in on chart to highlight candlestick patterns. EXYN caught our attention because it triggered our POC Delta strategy. This powerful strategy looks for specific conditions. First, the stock's price must be trading above the highest volume price level of the last 20 days. This means that buyers have managed to push the price past a significant point where a lot of shares previously changed hands, often indicating renewed strength and conviction. Second, the 5-day buy pressure must exceed sell pressure. This isn't about today's volume, which currently stands at 0 shares with no price change, nor last 30 days, which also shows 0.0% movement. Instead, it signals an accumulation period where, over the past 5 trading days, there's been a net demand for the stock, indicating underlying bullish interest building even if quietly. This combination suggests that despite its current quiet phase, EXYN is forming a strong foundation for potential upward move as price consolidates above historical areas of high activity. Technical analysis deep dive. Show indicators on chart, EMA, VWAP, AGS, RSI. The signal for EXYN was further confirmed by our stringent VWAP and EMA alignment gate. In simple terms, this means several key technical indicators are lining up perfectly. First, the stock's price is trading above its volume-weighted moving average, or VWAP, which tells us that the average price buyers are paying is being surpassed by current prices, signaling buyers are in control. Second, the trend strength measured by the ADX, the average directional index, is above 18. An ADX reading above 18 suggests a real trend is forming, distinguishing it from mere market noise. Crucially, the relative strength index, or RSI momentum indicator measuring buying and selling pressures in the healthy momentum zone, specifically between 45 and 68. This is the sweet spot. Momentum is building, but the stock isn't yet overbought or extended, meaning there's still room to run. The fact that all these alignment conditions are present, even with today's 0 shares and a relative volume of 0x above average, tells us that the underlying technical structure for a potential move is firmly in place, even if the immediate catalyst hasn't arrived. Highlight the POC Delta level on the chart. Imagine a coiled spring, building tension but not yet released. That's what the POC Delta strategy identifies with EXYN. It's a stock where the institutional footprint suggests accumulation, preparing for an expansion. Our rigorous alignment gate with the VWAP, EMAs, AGS, and RSI acts as a filter, ensuring we're not just looking at random price spikes. It confirms that the underlying market dynamics are supportive of a sustained move, reducing the risk of false breakouts by ensuring a confluence of bullish signals. Draw entry, stop, and targets on the chart. Now, let's talk about actionable levels for EXYN. Our scanner identified an entry signal price at $3.3701. This entry point is strategically placed where the technical confluence of our indicators suggests optimal risk-reward. To protect our capital, a tight stop-loss level is set at $3.3532. This stop helps mitigate downside risk should the setup fail to materialize. For profit-taking, we have 3 clear targets: T-bone at $3.5386, TP4 at $3.7071, and TP3 at $3.8756. These targets are based on technical resistance levels and potential price extension. What's truly compelling here is the impressive risk-reward ratio of 1.997. This means for every dollar you risk, you stand to gain nearly $10 if the trade hits its final target, making this a highly favorable setup from a risk management perspective. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Highlight the current price action zone. With EXYN, given its current quiet state of 0 shares traded today and 0 price movement, the key is to watch for increasing volume. A significant surge in buying volume, preferably exceeding its 30-day average of 0 shares, would be a strong confirmation that the anticipated upward move is beginning. Also, monitor for a clear breakout and sustained close above our entry price of $3.3701. Conversely, a sustained break below the stop-loss level of $3.3532 would invalidate this setup, signaling that the bullish momentum hasn't taken hold. Show channel logo and call to action. EXYN presents a compelling technical setup, identified by our advanced scanning strategies, even in its current quiet phase. This is an early alert highlighting the underlying strength and alignment. Do your own research, but keep EXYN on your watch list. If you found this deep dive valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more daily trade insights, and let us know in the comments which stocks you'd like us to analyze next. Happy trading!